Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to do a technical overview for you guys on the JA Roby Gemini cook stove. This is a super unique stove. It's new to the market. It's a beast of a cook stove. It's EPA approved. It has a blower option, and today I'm going to cover that and a bunch more features. So, overall footprint of the stoves, it sits just shy of 35 inches in total depth, just shy of 55 inches in height, and it is 28 inches in total width. Now it has a massive firebox for a stacked cook stove, okay? You can fit a maximum of a 22-inch log in here. You have about just shy of a 15.5-inch viewing area on the total width, so that's pretty nice, and like I believe about just shy of 9.5 on the height. So you have a nice good viewing area to watch the fire. JA Roby does an excellent job with their air wash design, so you're gonna have a beautiful flame to watch, and be sure to check out those other videos of the fire burning, first burns, and cooking videos as well. Nice large baking oven. I can definitely say this is one of the largest baking ovens on a stacked cook stove I have seen to date yet. And it's also going to be a large heat output. Now they label it about 55,000 BTUs, but when it passes EPA, I kind of feel like sometimes those numbers are underestimated. JA Roby states that this stove can heat a range between 1,000 all the way up to 3,000 square feet. That of course is going to vary based on your climate, insulation, various factors like that. So keep that in mind, as well as the wood you're burning. Now they're saying this can burn anywhere from 4 to 14 hours. Variance is of course going to be the wood you're burning and the air controls on the stove, how hot you're running it, etc. So I'm super excited to get the burn going and give you guys some temperatures and burn times on that. Overall, I'm super impressed with the stove. It is going to be a top vent model, 6-inch flue. I think it is mobile home approved. It does not qualify for the tax credit though at this time. So this is going to be the overall specs. Let me show you inside the firebox. It's got a nice fully lined fire brick firebox. A lot of these are going to be standard size fire bricks, so it's super easy to get them locally and have them replaced. Your air wash is going to be located from the top, and your damper control is going to be located at the bottom of the stove here. This is going to be your primary and secondary air control essentially at the bottom, and then your oven control is going to be located at the top of the stove. You basically open that vent to disperse heat out of the oven, which is also going to convect that heat right out into your room. The doors are fully gasketed. JA Roby uses nice thick gaskets. They have a nice tight latch system. One thing I've always said about all the JA Roby stoves I've burnt is that they are extremely airtight. You can definitely see that in the close of the door, in the hinge, and in the gasket system. And I'm going to give you guys a 360-degree view. Nice big tall just black panels. Here's going to be the blower cabinet. On the back, it mounts right at the bottom of the stove right here. And so this heat shield also acts as like a convector to push that heat up this channel. Up, and then you're gonna get heat dispersing out the top of the stove here. Side panels, again, black. Got nice chrome corners. Chrome handles. This is the Gemini in all black, which still features the chrome. Here you can see the oven up close. Stainless steel. Door gaskets. This is the latching mechanism. There are adjustment screws right here inside the door. You can see both of these on the hinge, on like the handle there, and the screws on the stove body can be moved to be adjusted. They're located on each side of the stove. So if you need to make any adjustments to the door, you can do that. The chimney pipe runs up inside the oven, which is not standard. I don't sell any other cook stoves quite like that. Here I'm gonna take you inside the firebox. See, you can see it's a nice tight handle as it opens, thanks to these nice thick gaskets. Here you can see inside the firebox, brick lining, sides, rear. You have air tubes located across the top and more fire brick that lines it, as well as an insulation piece. You can see that white insulation right up above it, and then a weight that goes in there to hold it all down. I really hope that you guys found this technical overview helpful for you guys today. If you guys do like my videos, please don't forget to just give me that thumbs up. Liking my videos helps me out so much. Also, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. If you click that little bell, it notifies you for all of my latest videos. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day.